guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Pretch. I live here in Manila and today I'm gonna be unboxing my new AirPods 4. So I've been using the old AirPods 2 for a couple of years now, and let's do some quick comparison between the two and let's see if this upgrade is totally worth it. Let's start with the unboxing. In terms of packaging, this is the same as the previous AirPods packaging, the classic white box, and with a little embossed print here. You can feel it. Just the usual Apple logo here. Instruction here. There's no Apple sticker. Okay. And these cutie super cutie right in front of me. This is so cute, guys. It's so small. It's so nice. Okay, let's test this AirPods 4 and connect it to my iPhone. So let's see how quickly it can connect to my. Oh, there we go. It automatically detects my new AirPod. So let me connect it. Ooh, nice one. That's so quick. Listening, press and hold on either. Guys, this is so small. I like it. Okay. So it says here it has the personalized spatial audio. So I can use my iPhone camera to personalize the spatial audio for the shape of my ears. So okay. So let me try both of them. Oh wow. Wow. Oh my gosh. That's the active noise cancellation. Wow. I can't hear my aircon anymore. And this is so great. So I can actually control my AirPods by moving my head. So let me try to turn that on. Okay. Alright. So let's try some of the feature of this new AirPods 4. So let me go to music, Apple Music. I'm using Apple Music. I, okay, so I just connected my AirPods to my phone. So you can adjust the volume here on this portion. Um, You can see that icon, and then if you want to do some customization, just press it, and um, you can listening mode with noise cancellation. You can do some spatial audio and conversation awareness. So let's do that. Let's try the adaptive one. Oh, okay. Adaptive is where you can play the music, but you can hear your surroundings as well. So let me try to change it to transparency. Mhm. I don't see much difference between the two, to be honest. But if I'm gonna be switching back to noise cancellation, this is so nice because I can't hear my surroundings. All I can hear is just the music from the Apple Music, which is nice. If you're on an airport and you wanted to focus on your music and you want to ignore all your surroundings, you know, unnecessary noise, you can choose that. This is nice. Conversation awareness on. Ah, okay. So you just have to select that. It's when you're, let's say, for example, you're listening to your music. You're listening to your music, and then um, you wanted to chat to someone else. It automatically lowers down the volume of your music, and noise cancellation is also, it will switch to, technically for me, it will switch to like adaptive mode earlier, where I can hear my surroundings and at the same time the volume of my music automatically lowers down, and it switches so quite fast. Like I don't need to wait for 10 seconds or more than 5 seconds. It automatically lowers down the volume, and then let me try to pause for a while. Let's see if the volume will go back to its previous volume. Let's see. Guys, it automatically switches back to noise cancellation at the same time. The volume went up again. This is so nice. It's so nice. It's so nice. Okay, what else we wanted to try here? Okay, so that's the conversation awareness. So if you wanted to do that, then you can switch that on. It perfectly fits my small ear. Let's do some quick comparison between my new AirPods 4 versus my AirPods 2. So this is my old AirPods 2 that I've been using for couple of years now, and this is the new AirPods 4. In terms of size, this one is smaller. AirPods 4 is smaller, more compact for me and more slick compared to the old one. And another one is in terms of size, or the shaft here. AirPods 2 is longer compared to my new one, the AirPods 4. which is nice, right? Because I have a very long hair, and sometimes that shaft, when I flip my hair, usually my AirPods too usually falls off, which is kind of annoying. So that one for me is a pro, in terms of shorter shaft. There you go. This feels tighter. New AirPods 4 is you can charge it using your power bank or MagSafe. You just have to place it here, just like that, and switch on your power bank. So it's nice because from my previous AirPods, I can't do that. So I have to use my charging cable to charge my old AirPods. So that's one of the cool features that we have here for this new AirPods Pro 4. So the ultimate question is it worth it? Upgrading from AirPods 2 going to AirPods 4, definitely worth it. If you're looking for these new features like the noise cancellation, all those conversation features, you're gonna be enjoying this one. So my answer is yes, totally worth it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this type of video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And always remember, life is precious. See you in my next one. Cheers!